Welcome to the 1st of January 2026. The new year is here, the party lights have been switched off, the music has finally stopped playing, and now the credit card bills are starting to arrive in our inboxes. For many of us, this brings a familiar feeling. It is a kind of hangover. It is not from too much drink, though. It is a financial hangover, born from a month of spending. The pressure to buy, to give, and to celebrate can leave our bank accounts feeling very empty and very sore. We feel the ache of a season that promised joy, but delivered debt. We are left with a quiet house and a loud sense of regret. We live in a very fast world, a world of instant gratification. We can buy almost anything we desire with just a single thumbprint on our phones. We can have packages delivered to our doorstep on the very same day. This constant cycle of wanting and getting makes us believe that having more things will ultimately make us happier. But so often, it simply does not work out that way. The brief excitement of a new purchase fades quickly. We are left feeling tired, a bit empty, and with less money than we had before. The clutter in our homes grows, but the contentment in our hearts does not. It is a treadmill of consumption that leaves us breathless. This month, I invite you to try something completely different. We are going to take some advice from someone very wise and very simple. We are going to listen to my grandma. She lived through much harder times than we can imagine. She did not have online shopping or next-day delivery. She knew how to live a full and happy life with much less. She understood the true meaning of wealth. She once told me, "The richest person isn't the one who has the most, but the one who needs the least." Her simple words hold a powerful truth, a truth that can guide us through the next 31 days and beyond, showing us a path to a different kind of richness. Her gentle wisdom will be our compass for this entire month. She had a clear and simple line that she would say often, a little rhyme that contained her entire philosophy for living well. We will use it as our guide, our mantra for this challenge. It is a quiet instruction for a more thoughtful life, a promise of peace in a world that shouts at us to buy more. This four-line mantra will be the foundation of our no-spend journey. It is easy to remember and powerful to follow. It goes like this: use it up, wear it out, make it do, or do without. This is our map for the next 31 days. To make this challenge work, we need clear and simple rules. Think of them as a sturdy fence around your money, protecting it so it can grow. These boundaries are not there to punish you. They are there to help you succeed and make your decisions easier all month. When you're tempted to spend, you won't have to wonder if it's allowed. The rules give you a clear answer and remove the stress of daily choices. Our first rule is the most important. It defines what we're allowed to spend on during these 31 days. Rule number 1, the essentials only list. You may spend on true basics that keep you safe and healthy. Rent or mortgage payment, gas, electricity, water, basic healthy food items, transport to get to work, necessary insurance payments, essential medicines and healthcare. This is the foundation for a secure month. Rule number 2, the hard no list. No eating out at restaurants, no cafes, no takeaway or delivery, no new clothes, no shoes, no home decor, no electronic gadgets, no paid entertainment, cinema, no concerts, no theatre shows, no new streaming subscriptions, no extra digital add-ons. This cuts out non-essential spending that quietly drains your account. Rule number 3, the 72-hour waiting room, your secret weapon against impulse buys. If it's not on the essentials list and you feel you must buy it, do not buy it now. Write it down and wait a full 72 hours, 3 days. Think it over. Do you really need it? Can you use something you already have? More often than not, the urge fades. This habit creates a space between wanting and buying. Section 4. The Pantry Deep-Dive. A fortnight of feasting at home. Now we move on to the Pantry Deep-Dive. My grandma's kitchen was always a place of small wonders and delicious smells. She could conjure up a hearty meal for the whole family, with what looked like very little. She knew a secret we have forgotten. Most homes already have plenty of food. We just need to look for it. Before you write a grocery list, explore your kitchen, check your cupboards, look deep into your freezer, inspect your fridge. You might be surprised, £20, £50, or even more. This is your hidden treasure. For the first 2 weeks of January, your grocery budget is exactly zero. That's right, zero. Cook only with what is already in your house. It might sound daunting, but it's an adventure in creativity. See your pantry with fresh eyes. Make simple, honest, surprisingly delicious meals. Breakfast for dinner, scrambled eggs on toast. Make a big pot of kitchen sink soup. Chop leftover vegetables. Add stock or a can of chopped tomatoes. Stir and simmer. Use up everything before it goes bad. Try simple meal ideas. Rice and beans transformed with a few spices. Make a big batch of pancakes, flour, milk, and egg. If you have flour and yeast, try baking your own loaf of bread. Flour, yeast. The smell of baking fills your home with warmth. Use your freezer wisely. Dig out frozen vegetables. Dig out that piece of meat you saved. Always use the oldest tins and jars first. Make a simple meal plan for the week. This challenge isn't about going hungry, it's about being resourceful and proud. Be proud of every meal you create. Make it social. Swap items with a friend. Too much pasta. They have an extra tin of coconut milk. By sharing, you both win. Every empty jar and cleared shelf is a small victory. You're saving money, reducing food waste, and learning a valuable skill. It is a truly rewarding process. Section 5. The Wealth of the Soul. Right, reclaiming our time. This no-spend month is not only about saving money, it is about something far more valuable. It is about reclaiming your time and finding a sense of calm in your life. Think about how much time you spend scrolling through online shops, browsing for things you do not really need, wandering through shopping centers on a weekend. When you press pause on the habit of constant consumption, you are given a precious gift, extra hours in your day and in your week. What could you do with an extra 5 hours every single week? The possibilities are endless and far more enriching than another online order. Try simple, free activities that nourish your soul. Finally read that book sitting on your nightstand. Let yourself get lost in its pages. Put on your coat and go for a long, refreshing walk in a local park. Notice the trees, listen to the birds, breathe in the fresh air. This costs nothing, yet it can lift your spirits. Quiet connection with nature or a good story is a different kind of wealth. It settles in your heart and mind, not just your bank account. It is richness that stuff can never provide. Reconnect with the people in your life. Instead of an expensive coffee, call a friend for a proper chat. Put your phone away and just listen. Ask them how they are really doing. True connection does not require a transaction. It requires only your time and your attention. Use extra time to learn a practical skill. Teach yourself to bake a simple loaf of bread, or learn how to properly sew on a button. These small skills build confidence and self-reliance. You will begin to find joy in small, simple pleasures. A profound sense of peace comes when you step away from the noise of consumerism. The pressure to want more, have more, and be more begins to fade. The things that make you truly happy are often free. A beautiful sunset, a laugh with a loved one, the satisfaction of a job well done. You learn that all the stuff you thought you needed wasn't buying you calm. It was creating more noise and distraction. This month gives you the space to hear the quiet whispers of your own heart again. Section 6. The Mid-Month Slump. When giving up feels easy. Be prepared, because there will be a slump. It usually arrives around day 15. By the middle of the month, the initial excitement may have worn off. You might feel tired of eating your own meals. You might be bored of your limited choices. An advert for a tempting pizza deal will appear. An email will announce a flash sale. The urge to quit will feel incredibly strong. This is the most difficult part of the journey, and it is the point where many people give up. But this is also the moment where the real growth happens. In that moment of weakness, picture my grandma sitting at her simple kitchen table with a cup of tea, looking out of her window. She was not a woman of many words, but the ones she spoke were full of quiet strength. She would often say, "If your house is in order, you can sleep through the storm." Your house is your life. Your house is your finances. This challenge is about putting your house in order. When temptation strikes, remember her calm presence. Her wisdom can act as a shield. When you feel weak, do a small, manageable task. One of the most powerful things, count the money you have not spent so far. Open your banking app, look at your notebook and add it all up. Look at that number. Do not just see it as money. Imagine each saved pound as a tiny seed. Each seed is not just for a future purchase. It is a seed for your freedom. It is a seed for your peace of mind. It is a seed for a future where you are in control. This simple act of counting can give you the motivation you need to keep going for another day. Section 7. The Big Reveal, Day 31st and the Freedom Found. On the 31st of January, before you do anything else, I want you to perform a small, quiet ritual. Make yourself a cup of tea. Sit down, open your banking app. Take a deep breath and look at the number. Do not feel any of the old shame or anxiety that often comes with looking at your finances. Instead, I want you to feel an immense sense of pride. You did something incredibly hard. For 31 days, you consciously chose a different path. You broke a powerful habit. You chose long-term freedom over a quick, fleeting thrill. The number you see is more than just money. It is a symbol of your strength and your success. You will learn so much more than just how much money you saved. The number in your account is just the beginning of the story. The real prize is the knowledge you have gained about yourself. You will have a much clearer understanding of what you truly need versus what you merely want. You will see how much time and energy was once wasted on browsing, wanting, and buying. Most importantly, you will start to notice what actually makes you happy. Not things, but people and simple pleasures. After this month, do not rush back to old ways. The goal is to build a new, healthier relationship with money and with life. Take the best habits forward, the 72-hour wait, the Pantry Deep-Dive, fixing instead of replacing, saying no to what you do not need. Are you ready to start this journey? You can begin today, right now. Just do these 4 simple things to set yourself up for success. First, write the 4-line mantra down on a piece of paper and stick it somewhere you will see it every day. Second, make your own personal list of allowed essentials. Third, go and clear out your pantry. Clear out your freezer. Try to make a rough meal plan for the first 2 weeks. And fourth, start a small list for anything you think you want to buy. Begin practicing the 72-hour wait. This January, we are not just saving money. We are changing a pattern. We are choosing a simpler way of living. We are choosing time and calm over clutter and chaos. We are listening to the old, wise voices. Start today. Use it up. Wear it out. Make it do, or do without. Subscribe to Finance Pit Stop to get your money in pole position. Just a quick reminder before you go. The information provided in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, and this content does not constitute professional financial advice. Always do your own research or consult with a qualified professional before making any significant financial decisions. See you in the next one.